Wandering down the street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Saigon, walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Saigon. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, I'll be gone. But I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
Okay, so right over there is the Lantern Street in Chinatown. There's a cool guy up on the balcony. There's also a little Nepali coffee shop right there, so I just wanted to capture them as I walk over there to that Lanterns. And we're going to show you this little slice of Chinatown in Saigon. And before we go over there, there's just little stuff of referencing China everywhere, including, is that China? It's like the Year of the Dragon. I guess that could be Vietnam too. Anyways, there's a Lanterns in there, so we're gonna go do it. Okay, Saigon up on the map. So this one is just going to be, I'm searching for a Lantern Street in Chinatown of District 5 of Saigon. That's exactly what I'm doing. And on the map you can see that that's kind of in the Chinatown area. And I guess that's all I need to say, really. I will say that I was in Saigon and I created, I think, about 25 videos, and I still have about 10 more to upload. So this is just one that's going to be continually being shown. I'll put up a new one about every 5 or 6 days. So so like, subscribe if you want to see more Saigon content. And let's get into it. We're going to do the walk and talk. Oh, and the lyrics. The lyrics are up here as well. And the lyrics are something that I wrote, and I fed it into AI. So that's what that song is. Okay. Walk and talk time. Saigon, a little slice of Vietnam for you. Okay, so let's move towards that Chinatown. We are in Chinatown already, but we're gonna move to the Lanterns. So that's up above, it's called Lantern Street, and I'll give you the streets accordingly. And you can see some of the lanterns already up there. Okay, stay tuned. So here we are here. I think this, let's just kind of see how this is gonna work. There's a temple over there, and there's lanterns. That looks like kind of a little river spot. And I thought the temples, the Lantern Street was right here. But this is a temple. Let's go in and see. Let's see. So I think I'm not quite at the Lantern Street yet. But we'll look on the Google Maps and try to go there right now. I guess we were on Lantern Street and I just saw those lanterns. It's kind of interesting right here. I got yoga, gym, boxing. Okay, so I guess what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to that street, and I guess that is our lantern street. I just don't see any lanterns though. But we'll look for them and see. There's kind of a feeling that there should be though. Just kind of take a look here. So we're kind of looking for lanterns here a little bit. I mean, I definitely am in the Chinatown area. So I am going to... So this is the cross street that we're at. Right there. And then the Lanterns Street might be straight down that way. If not, then you just have an image of another street in Chinatown and a little bit of okay, let's see what's up that way. Check out some of these beautiful buildings though. There's no shortage of beautiful buildings in Vietnam. Anyways, I don't see the lanterns, but it doesn't mean that they're not maybe up here further. It did say it was this street. There does seem to be a lot of other stuff from China. Including these lanterns straight ahead. And there's also like lion dancing stuff over there. So we definitely have lanterns. But I didn't expect that it was a shop. And then you got lion dancing as well. Huh, okay. I don't see the lanterns anywhere. Now I get it. This is called Lantern Street, situated along this street. Luang Nu Hoc serves as a hub for people seeking to purchase lanterns, drums, and other festivals. So this is for the Mid-Autumn Festival, so when people, they come here to buy all their stuff. So that's what this street is all about. So now I understand it better. I was looking for lanterns that were up in the sky, but actually that's not the case. So this particular street will sell things like the lanterns here and the lion dancing stuff here, and so that's what this street is all about. So when they get ready for the Mid-Autumn Festival, this would be the street that they would go on. Another Chinese temple right here too. Okay, so we'll keep filming other parts of Saigon and maybe something a little bit interesting. Check out those balconies. Okay.
I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon. Saigon Street.